So if you think about the average actuarial team in a life insurance, so I think there's just so much talent, so much intellectual grunt sitting in these teams. It seems like the best talent from an intellectual and data management perspective sits in these actuarial teams, which are pretty sizable, very skilled and quite expensive, but they're all focused on risk and risk management, not on growth, optimization, financial performance.
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
So I think there's a few things here. One is actually tools, because a lot of the actuarial tools were built for finance purposes and not for understanding the business better and come up with better solutions. So that's where the Montoux tools come in. But it's also a different focus. So a lot of actuaries are actually being trained, and that's the actuarial curriculum really, are being trained to become valuation actuaries, not business-focused actuaries. I do think that the actuarial curriculum around data science has got some shortcomings, because I only think that actuarial models are super useful as long as you get the right assumptions in there, and assumptions are about understanding the business properly. But if I see the difference between the capabilities of proper data scientists, like trained scientists that we've got working at Montoux, and the capabilities of actuaries that have, even the ones that have come through the curriculum recently, there's quite a big gap.
And how did you personally, I guess, transition from a risk, finance and compliance-based actuary to a commercially minded, value-minded actuary? Because you're obviously an actuary yourself.
Yeah.
So how did you make that personal transition?
So one of the key things that I think not only myself but a lot of other actuaries find very exciting, if they know things that the rest of the business doesn't know.
Right.
So for instance, price sensitivity has always been one of my big questions when I was doing pricing before. Of course, I had the Montoux tools. I was always wondering, like, well, if I sell,
Sure.
if I reduce the price by 1 or 5%, how much more am I going to sell? No one ever told me that. So it's just a natural level of curiosity and some basic tools. And then if you complete that with some really good tools, you get some insights that no one else has in the industry.